Hi everyone! For today's video, I will show you how to add a home button for Samsung J7 Prime. So let's go to the settings and then scroll down up to, where is it? Accessibility. And then from accessibility, go to dexterity and interaction, and then you can see the assistant menu there. Tap this one and then turn it on. So ayan na, ito na. You can see this home button already. And here you can easily add a home screen. I mean screenshot to those people na na-hassle na yung normal na ano lang, yung home key tapos yung sa side na power, yung ganon. So through this kasi mas mabilis kang makapag-take ng screenshots. So touchpad size here, cursor size, this one, ito siya, cursor size. If I choose the large one, so this one, so it's bigger than the medium one, lol. And also you can try to choose the cursor speed, like slow, normal, fast. So that's it. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.